Let's learn spring colors and nature words. Green grass, blue sky, yellow sun, pink flower, rainbow, tree, leaf, cloud, garden, rain. Great job! Which spring word is your favorite?